Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kim and today I have the Fairyloot Romantasy to unbox together. So let's get into it, find out what we have. Ooh, packing on the top there, underneath that packing we have this month's spoiler card. The theme being Skyfire. Okay, I will turn this around so you can see what the book is. If you do not want to know, look away now. Okay, and you can look back. So, Skyfire. The book baggie. Happy reading. Very symbol. Let's go straight into her. Oh, that's a colour. She goes that way. Okay, so the Fairyloot Romantasy for March is. Oh, hello. Dragon. Okay. Okay. It is Firebird by Juliet Cross. There is a little bit of sellotape right there. Oh. With a tiny, tiny bit of damage. Dang it. Spine. The rear. Very nice. Like a pinky, deep pink top. Black bottom and oh, that is gorgeous, and the lady at the bottom there as well. Very nice. Okay, let's go underneath the dust jacket. Oh, hello. Reversible dust jacket artwork. Okay. I think I prefer that side. Let me know which one you prefer. End papers, foiled, and rear. Oh, dragon. The hardcover is foiled. Spine, and the rear. Oh, okay. Let's do a flick. Oh, blank pages. 401 pages long. Oh. We have a sneak peek of the second book. Okay. So without that one, we have an exclusive bonus chapter as well. Okay. So minus that, we are 380 pages long. We are signed by Juliet, and we have a Dear Fairyloot reader as well. Okay, let's pop this in the dust jacket. We have gorgeous Juliet. Okay, let's find out what this one's about. I'm kind of getting Roman, but we'll have a look. A conqueror captivated. A witch prophesied to save them all. From the moment Roman general Julius Dacia laid eyes on Melina, he was enthralled by the Dacian dancer. Years later, the fierce beauty stands before him on a sacred battlefield, her life in danger. He instinctively shifts into his dragon form to save her. An action that may result in his head on the Imperial Gate. But he and his dragon know one thing: she belongs to them. Melina cannot believe that the centurion who once bestowed a secret talisman on her is the Roman general of legend and nephew of the emperor. His warrior prowess and brutality cannot be denied. Yet all Melina knows is his gentle touch and protection, and she also cannot deny that her soul has always seemed to answer his. As they navigate a world where flying death riders conquer and burn, their love will ignite a firestorm that can only end in heartbreak or death, or both. Okay, it is Roman. It is Shapeshifter. What do you guys think? What do you think of the customizations? Come and talk to me below. But that is the Fairyloot Romantasy for March. As always, down in my description box, you can find a link to all of my socials. Come give me a follow on Goodreads, on Instagram, on X, and on Storygraph. You can like this video, you can comment, and you can subscribe if you want to. Want to let me know you're here without actually talking to me? Leave me. Is there a bridge emoji? Leave me that. And I'll see you next time. Toodles.